So this is our hot water heater use for the year, and looking at January, we're looking at a 64 kilowatts, 64.34 kilowatts. So if you go to the 64.34 kilowatts, 64.34 times 0.123, which is 12 cents a kilowatt, we're looking at $7.91 for the month of January for hot water heater use. Now, if you times that times 12, you're looking at $94 for the whole year. But that's not the full case, because what's going on here is the next, the warmer months, 48.11. So we're looking at 48.11, and the next month after that is 49. So let's say 49. So you go 49 kilowatts. 49 kilowatts times 12 cents. And we're looking at $6 a month. So for $6, the hot water heater costs $6 for that month, times 12 equals $72. Now the hot water heater is rated at $110 a year. So divided by 12 comes out to be 9. So it's a pretty good estimate. We are running right there in that amount.